Okay, let's go ahead and create first new project. So I go File, New, up here. You should title whatever your project is. So I'm going to call this creating a variable, so you don't get it confused with the others. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring in my sprites. So down here I look for click, and all I did was get two basic sprites. Here's the green check. Green check I'm going to title about, leave it right there, and I'll call it add $1. And then I'm going to go get my next sprite and click on check, and this one I'll call subtract. Titling it doesn't change anything, but it just makes it easier to, when the programs get bigger, to be able to understand what's connected to what, especially in programming. Subtract $1. Lovely. Then this sprite here, we don't need anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it. And so here I have the check. I'm going to put it right there. I have the X. I'm going to put it right there. I'm now going to come over to, let's start with the check. I'm going to come over to, over here, events. One green flag clicked. And why not say, I'm going to head down to, actually I should just start with my variables. Now I need to create a variable, and that's the container that's going to hold this number as ones get added in or ones get subtracted out. So how about I call this, make a variable, I'll call this bank account total. Okay, I'll say for all sprites, that's both, so it counts for both. And then, so as of now, I have, here's my bank account total, there's the container, okay? And now notice how I can see it within these commands. So on my first command, I'm going to say, look, when that green flag is clicked, I want whatever, when we start this, I want whatever number it's at. Let's say I made over $100. I want it when we start to always be at 0, okay? Then for this green check, and that's going to apply to, remember, all sprites, that variable. So it's going to apply both to checks and the X's. It will go to 0. Then I'm going to go ahead and go set. Actually, let's go back up to events. And I'm going to say when sprite is clicked. So when this check is clicked, I'm going to go back to variables. I'm going to say change bank account total by 1. Now I'm going to go over to the other variable, and I'm going to say events when this sprite is clicked, and in variable change bank account total by -1. Ta-da! And realize if you were running a much more complex program, you had several variables, which you will, all you have to do is drop down and select the variable that you want. In this case, we only have one variable, okay? And as of now, I'm going to quickly go up here in case the computer hasn't already saved it. And now it should function. On green, that goes to 0. I click on check, it goes up. I click on X, it goes down. I come over here, I hit green, it's back to 0. Goes up, goes down. That's as basic a variable as you can get, and I truly hope this helps you as you're using variables. Try it.